Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can automate the APIs. So I'm starting with the post API. So what have I done? I made a Maven project with the name dummy.restAssured and added the dependency of restAssured in the pom.xml, and the version of for restAssured I'm using is 3.0.3. I made a class with the name dummyapis.java. So here what am I doing? I'm sending the string, the request body in the form of string, the JSON string. So what have I done? I've copied the request body from here and pasted it here, and then I'm using the rest assured class. So we can go here. It's a class and it provides us with various methods. One of those is given. The whatever we are given with, we can use given method and dot content type. The content type we are using is application JSON, and we can send the body in the body method and the string JSON format here. And if I click on when method, then it reaches us to the post method, and here we can write the URL and it hits the API, the post API, and give us the response which we can store in the response type. Response is an interface in Java, and we can print the response we have gotten, and we can print the data. So we can have the JSON paths to print the data. If I have to print the ID, I have to reach to data first and then to the ID. So we have the method called path, and we can give the path here and we can print it. And we can print the status code we have gotten using the get status code method. So I'm going to run this. So I've gotten the request I've created, and now it will hit the API and it will give us the results and the ID we have gotten and the status code we have gotten. So that's all for rest assured post method. So if we want to click the get method, so what we can do, we don't need to give the body here. We can remove the body part and we can click on the get method. So that's how we can click on the get method. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show how you can automate the APIs using the UniRest class. So yeah, UniRest is a class and it provides some methods for us to automate the APIs. So here is the code I have written to automate the get API. So we can see that in the Postman itself. We have the URL. We have no authorization here. Okay, and if I click on send button, I should get the response, and we have the code part shown here. If we click here, we can get the code in the Java itself, the UniRest Java already made. We don't need to add an additional code to it. So I've pasted it here like the way it is, and I've added the UniRest dependency com.mashup.unirest dependency with the version 1.4.9. Yeah, and we can automate this API. We can get the status code through .get status code method, and we can get the response in the .get body method. So we have here I have printed the response in the .get body method and the status in the .get status. Now if we talk about it, we have a method we have the static method in the UniRest class, which is get, post, all the methods it provides. So currently I'm using the get. With the headers I'm passing and the data I'm fetching as a string. And if we have a post API here in the Postman, suppose put API here, then generally we get the code like this. The body is sent in the form of string here after the headers. So we can directly print it, paste it here, and we can run the code. It's as simple as that. If I run the code, and we can get the response status code and the response body. So it's as simple as that.